When Yukiko worked as a receptionist at a hair salon, she noticed that their hair stylist assistants were struggling to work as a team during the busy weekend. Yukiko created a training manual for hairstylist assistants and held a customer service training workshop after work. Yukiko's efforts were appreciated not only by hairstylist assistants, but also by hair salon owners. Although her friends appreciate the free e-commerce and online marketing classes Yukiko provided to help them grow their businesses online, Yukiko was not convinced that these are valuable skills. She continued to help others with her diverse teaching skills, which included tech support, story video creation, and Japanese yukata hand stitching, and she led many students globally. Yukiko began to notice that her teaching abilities were valuable when she realized that she reached 10,000 students. She now has over 29,000 students worldwide and is a lean startup advisor for a biotech company.